All right, let's listen to this together. And after listening twice, I will show you the transcription and then we analyze it together.
Madame, je voudrais essayer cette robe et cette adorable chemisier rose.
Naïm, regarde ces bijoux. Ils sont jolis.
Ah oui, j'adore ce bracelet.
Madame, je voudrais essayer cette robe et cette adorable chemisier rose.
Naïm, regarde ces bijoux. Ils sont jolis.
Ah oui, j'adore ce bracelet.
All right, so listen again with the transcription this time.
Madame, je voudrais essayer cette robe et cette adorable chemisier rose.
Naïm, regarde ces bijoux. Ils sont jolis.
Ah oui, j'adore ce bracelet.
Now, did you understand or was it too fast for you? Okay, so she says, je voudrais essayer cette robe. So the set there is a demonstrative adjective. Okay, c'est un adjectif démonstratif. So set simply means this. Okay, this or that, depending on the context is being used. So in this context, it means this. And we're using set because robe is a feminine word. So we say, je voudrais essayer cette robe. Now I could also say cette dame. Okay, this woman. Cette dame. I could say cette voiture. This car. Because voiture is a feminine word and it's singular. Okay? Then she says,
Et cette adorable chemisier rose.
now, cette adorable. The set here is masculine, but it's used in front of words that start with a vowel. Okay? So cet also means this, but it's used only in front of words that start with a vowel and they are masculine. Okay, another example is ordinateur. Okay, ordinateur is a computer, but it's a masculine word. So if I wanted to say this computer, I would say cet ordinateur. So here, that's why we're saying.
Et cette adorable chemisier rose.
So we're using cet here because chemisier is a masculine word. Okay, so we say cet adorable chemisier rose.
Naïm, regarde ces bijoux. Ils sont jolis.
Ces bijoux, ces bijoux. So we say ces bijoux. Okay, pronounce c'est.
Ah oui, j'adore ce bracelet. Ah oui, j'adore ce bracelet.
J'adore ce bracelet. Okay, so we're saying ce because bracelet is a singular masculine word and it starts with a consonant. It doesn't start with a vowel. That's why we say ce. So these are the demonstrative adjectives. We have cette. Okay, that's a singular feminine. For example, cette voiture, this car, cette dame, okay, cette robe, and so on. We use cet with singular masculine nouns that start with a vowel or a mute H. So we say cet appartement, we say cet arbre. Ce is for singular masculine words like ce bracelet, ce travail, ce, okay, and so on. And we use c'est for plural words, whether they're masculine or feminine. So let's listen again.
Madame, je voudrais essayer cette robe et cette adorable chemisier rose.
Naïm, regarde ces bijoux. Ils sont jolis.
Ah oui, j'adore ce bracelet.
Now let's do this short quiz together. What's the correct answer? Yes, we say ce weekend because weekend is a masculine word and it's singular. Okay, so we say ce. It doesn't start with a vowel, so I won't say cette. I'll say ce weekend, this weekend, nous allons en Bretagne. We're going to Bretagne. Good. Yes, we say cet hôtel because hotel starts with a mute H. So we say cet hôtel, C-E-T, cet hôtel. Because one hotel starts with a mute H and it's also a singular masculine noun. Okay? Just like hôpital. Cet hôpital est vraiment grand. Okay, this hospital is really big. Yeah, we would have said cet appartement if it was singular, but look at the S at the end of appartement. Yeah, it's plural. So we say ces appartements. Okay, ces appartements sont à louer. Film is a singular masculine word. Okay, so we say ce film. Ce film. So we say cette paire because it's modifying paire, not chaussure. Okay, so we say cette paire de chaussures. Okay, paire is a singular feminine word. That's why we say C-E-T-T-E, cette paire. Now, sometimes I can add C to the noun. So if I wanted to say this robe, like to talk about the distance, if it's really close to me, I can add apostrophe and C to the noun. So I could say cette robe-ci, meaning this robe right here, this one. But if the dress is far away, not far away, but if it's over there, I would add la. So I say cette robe-là. So I can be pointing, say, oh, cette robe-ci, meaning it's close to me. Or I could say cette robe-là, that one. Okay? Cette voiture-ci, this car,